Hello, ladies and gents. The fox has done it again. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've got some kits to show you today. Oh my goodness. First, we're going to start out with these Antiquity Label sets. This isn't the Antiquity Label set number 1. There are 3 pages to this. Who doesn't love labels? I printed mine out on uh, ivory cardstock, and I love them. Love them, love them, love them. And each one you can see just slight variations in the color. See how this one it goes from a darker to a lighter, a darker to a lighter, and so on and so forth. See the pink? Oh, do you see how the pink gets pinker? Right here in this one? Right here? To from here? Oh, I will be definitely using these. First of all, hello, no fussy cutting involved, period. So you know I love that. So these are the 2 that are basically in color, as well as you can see those. And then there's this third one. Creams, beiges, grays, light browns. Love this one. Oh my goodness. Love them all, really. Honestly. Love the red is going to be perfect on carpetbaggers. This is absolutely just outdone herself. The pastels on this one just again will adapt with any of her kits. Any of her kits, as you will see. The next one that I have is the Antiquity Labels set number 2. We'll get those ready. Let's bask in that glory for a little bit. I started these backwards because they're just they just get better. Oh my goodness. These are the beiges, the browns, the ivories, the creams, everything. Again, printed on ivory cream stock, cardstock. This is the Antiquity Label set number 2. And then we add some color into them. Do you see this blue? Oh, this, it's like a just this is so shabby chic. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. And even if you don't like these borders, I mean, just to cut around this would be amazing. This one, amazing to cut around to make different labels. Absolutely love it. Then you go to this third one. Ah, and it gets more blue. And there's pink down here. This is pink shabby. I love this. You could cut out the middle here, use it as a border. There's so many different ways that you can use these, and they adapt to any of her kits. I'm serious. I will show you. I will show you. Believe me, there's more to show. So these came out this week. And then this morning, we get this. Hello, Lubba. I just cannot begin to say how blessed and honored I am to be on Tracie's design team. I get to work with some of the most prettiest images I've ever seen. Look at these women, and these are framed. You can see the frame around them all. Greens, reds, browns, pinks, blues, just all the colors. Love, love, love the images. And then if you don't want the border on them, You don't have to have the border on them. You can just have the ladies and make your own border. Make your own aesthetic on them. And they're just absolutely amazing. And these are the Antiquity Cards set number 1. So you can either have them with the frames around them or without the frames around them. Either way, absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Then, wouldn't be Tracie Fox if we didn't have some florals. Come on. Come on now. Look at that. Look at the cottage in the woods. It's beautiful. Beautiful wildflowers. Look at this tree. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at the little hummingbird. Little hummingbird. And then up here, there's like a mountain scene. Up here. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Little hummingbird right there. Little potted plant right there. And if you want the borders on them, well, you got it. Are you kidding me right now? Look at this. Look at this. Look at the green. Ah, the green, the pink, the shabby, the beige border around this one to make and then you go to these on the bottom here. I mean, seriously, Tracie? Seriously? We're supposed to pick? We can't. This is Antiquity Cards Set 2. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the border around that. Uh-huh. And then, of course, another kit, and it's the Antiquity Minis, which is a combination of the florals, the ladies, and they're different ladies. Different ladies. Oh, look at the floral of that wildflower one. Like the lady with that, I think it's a mandolin. Beautiful. Look at this. Oh, the lady in blue. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, that's the Antiquity Minis. Love, love. Ah, come on. And again, I printed mine out on ivory cardstock. Definitely going to be seeing these in upcoming journals. Another kit that I wanted to talk about, get these. Oh, those over there. The other one that I wanted to talk to you about is the Nature Snippets. This comes with Tracie's new teachable, her attaché course. If you've not taken this course, it is a must. Very reasonably priced. The digitals do come with the course. However, she does sell them separate in her shop. So if you don't take the course, you can still get the digitals. And it's a huge, huge kit. Huge kit. All right, so we have the envelopes and a tag. Another envelope and tag. And of course, there's nature. Hello, nature. I love all the book pages in the background. Of course, I love the postcard. Look at the dragonfly. It's very, very, it's subtle, but yet it's still there. You see it. I love it. Love it. Kind of a scary bug, but that's okay because, like, this can flip another way, or you can flip this side up, or this can be covered over if you don't like the bugs. The bugs, they've kind of grown on me. They really have. And then look at these. Really? You have like a long, like, side tuck pocket if you want. You have a tuck pocket this way. You have tags. Just look at that. These are printed out on what's called parchment paper, but it is a cardstock, but it is a parchment color. And I think they just turned out gorgeous on this paper. Then you have, oh, look at the dragon. Oh, dragonfly. The little ladybug. And the script and the writing and the green and the background. I mean, there's so many layers to these that, I mean, again, if you don't like it, cover it up. He's kind of grown on me. I should give him a name. Look at the tag. Love how this is part of a garden book, but you can see like faint script in the background and branches over here. And I mean, there's just so many layers to this. So many layers to this. And then you have a long pocket, which I would go this way with it. Yeah, I would go this way with it. These, of course, are upside down. But I would go this way with this long pocket, or you could go sideways with this long pocket. Use it as a belly band, anything. I mean, the possibilities that she gives you are just endless. And then these tags, just gorgeous. Look at the writing and the stamping right there. Just, she misses no detail. No detail at all. Look at the snippet right there of the dark leaves put in, and this over, and you can see the writing through the flowers. Absolutely beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. Look at the tags. Let me back that up a little bit. Look at those tags. Really? Just look at them for a minute. Stamps, the postal marks, the flowers. It's like a collage already just done for you. You cut them and put them on the page, done. You can dress them up if you want. You know, if you don't like the buggies, then hide the buggies. But they've really grown on me. I just think that's absolutely beautiful. And again, this is part of her attaché course. If you don't take the course, the nature snippets are available on her Etsy. Look at that. Look at that pocket. Look at the labels. Scraps, entomology, botanical. Look at the little ladybug. Look at the little label with the flowers here. Pink flowers, love. Look at the script writing. Can you see this is like a green, beautiful background color. I just, wow. I Fox, dude, you're amazing. You're amazing. Again, more labels, scraps, entomology, botanical. Look at the butterfly. Look at this label with the blue. Love it. Love the dragonfly. And if you don't want to use it for the pocket, you can fussy cut this out. Fussy cut the bug out. Hide the bug if you want. It doesn't matter. And it looks like it can go any way you want it to go. And it's adaptable with anything. Like, I'd throw one of these labels on here to go with it in a heartbeat. Everything is going to match. I mean, look at when they bring in like the darker ones with the reds and it just pulls it out. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. And then, of course, with that, this huge kit, you get this. This is part of the attaché course, and she does something very, very special in the course with this. However, again, if you don't get the course, you can always purchase this and make it whatever you want to do, but she does have something special she does with this in the course, so it's really, really cool. It's just a marbled old vintage book, and who doesn't love that? Who doesn't love that? Absolutely beautiful, beautiful. And then, of course, our tear sheets. Gotta love the tear sheets. Like, just tear out the pieces that you want. Absolutely beautiful. The flowers up here, the leaves. I love this. Some kind of like branch. Love the yellow over here. It says post. This says the garden. Just cut little bits and pieces out. It's just, her tear sheets are awesome. Look at this one. Fussy cut like crazy. Whoa. You don't have to use them if you don't want to. Little ant, butterfly, ladybug, the postal mark. Absolutely gorgeous. And I printed this out on my tea-dyed paper, which is just, this one is a 20 pound. So it's regular copy paper that I tea-dyed. And it printed beautifully. Look at that postcard one. Just, you can make this something. Print it out on cardstock and make it a tuck or a tag for you. Snail, dragonfly, just, aha, aha. Speechless. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful pink flower. Again, it ties in with that whole kit of the snippet kit. And, I mean, let's bring in some of the others. The labels with them. I put this pink with this pink, this blue with this blue, this red goes with these reds. Just going back over to this one. Get it in frame there a little bit. Like the oranges, and just to go with the post, just there's just so much to work with, and it all just goes together. I didn't even count this one. So you have four, you got the 4 tear pages, you have the book cover, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And all of those, again, do come with the attaché course, which if you haven't taken it, highly recommend taking it. It's a wonderful teachable. It's available on her Etsy. It's also available on her website. There's lots of ways to get it. There's lots of ways to get these. All of her links will be down below. Again, such an honor to be on her design team. I can't wait to work with these. You know how I love my labels. And she's not done yet, people. There's more coming out. You are just awesome, Tracie. I am so glad to be a part of your team and to call you my friend. And you are just knocking it out of the park, girl. And I'm just so proud of you. And everybody, run. Run and get them. Thanks, ladies. Thanks, gents. I will talk to you soon.